Good evening, folks, and welcome back to Budget Scenery Workshop. Today I'm going to be doing another tree build. If you remember from my second video, it was just a very simple small tree, but what I wanted to do today was a bigger tree, but a dead tree. So let's just go for scale. This is going to be the base of it. I don't think I'm going to change the size of it much. I may even it out and make it flat with the sloped edges, but in essence this is going to be the base of it, and there's a 28mm mini for scale, so yeah, this is going to be quite a beast. I'm not sure how high. Maybe make the trunk itself about 4-5 inches, maybe. We'll see when we get started. Anyway, the products I'm going to be using is, I had a big board of this yellow, good quality hard foam. So that's going to be the base. For the tree itself, I'm going to be using garden wire. This was very cheap. I think this was £1.49 for a big old roll of it. Modelling clay for some detail. I may do the trunk with this, or depending how I get on with this plaster, I may do the whole thing in clay. Anyway, we'll see when we get on. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. If you've got a build request, drop it in the comments, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Okay guys, let's get started with this. Hey guys, thanks for checking out my video. First thing I did here was I cut out around, I believe I cut around 12 of these wires out, and I cut them at about 12 inches I think. No, it was 9. So I cut 12 out at 9 inches. And, all I did was I paired them all together, and then I twisted them round, because the last time I made a tree, I just twisted 2 bits of wire around, and yeah, it was okay for the size, but something this size, you know, doing it this way is much more suitable. Then for the branches, I made them 2 bits of wire each, just so those could have a bit of support when I put the clay on, and it just wouldn't be, really flimsy. And again, like the trunk, all I did was just twist them together. Yeah, I didn't have a big old knife to cut this, but yeah, I just used a little knife there just to smooth it off with a nice surface, just so it wasn't all square. Then I just cut random bits and pieces out of it. There you can see I was just digging bits out just to make it look a bit more nice. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have dampened the clay. It just made rolling it really difficult. But, yeah, as you can see, I flipped my cutting mat over. I don't know why I did that, because it came off really easily. But yeah, turned my mat over, then I just rolled it out flat, and I got a sharp knife with a fresh blade, and I just cut out lines. Then all I did then was just roll those lines around the trunk. and I did exactly the same for the branches and the base as well. Yeah, at this point I was a bit worried because it looked terrible, but then I got my sculpting tools and just drew a load of lines to make it look like wood, and the pattern turned out really, really well in the end. You just have to keep at it, just keep drawing lines. Lovely heather. As this video is coming to an end, I hope you all enjoyed. I have ordered myself some tacky glue, so I'm looking forward to that. Okay, so the last thing I needed to do was just varnish it, and that's done. It's had a little time, it's still a tiny bit tacky to the touch, but that is in essence finished. I really like the base, I think it's come out really well. Also the tree, although it does look kind of, I probably could have done with more branches and stuff, but yeah, I'm really pleased with it, how it's all turned out. Just let me know in the comments what you think. You can see just let me know in the comments what you think. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, you'll never miss a thing. And if you have a build request, just drop a comment. Once I get 10, I will do a picking, planning and shout out video. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.